In this topic, we will look at various types of pollution that can affect us. Pollution is the introduction of harmful substances into the environment that can affect us. Pollution includes the contamination of air, water, and land, as well as high levels of noise and light. Air pollution is the contamination of the air by substances like exhaust fumes from vehicles, emissions from factories, and smoke from fires. The main cause of air pollution is the release of excess carbon dioxide and tiny substances from smoke and dust called particulates. Oil and coal is used to produce petroleum and diesel, which are used to generate power. When these fuels burn, they release large amounts of carbon dioxide, sulfur, nitrogen oxide, hydrocarbons, and particulates into the air. Industrial air pollution and burning of waste materials add other dangerous chemicals such as lead and mercury into the atmosphere. Air pollution is responsible for respiratory infections and diseases, including asthma and lung cancer. The World Health Organization, or WHO, stated that in 2005, more than 22,600 Pakistani adults died from the effects of urban air pollution. In Pakistan, the cities of Karachi, Peshawar, and Rawalpindi are the most polluted. Pakistan, like many countries, also suffers from indoor air pollution. Indoor air pollution is mainly caused by burning wood, animal dung, crop waste, charcoal, and coal for cooking or heating. These fuels emit health-damaging particulates, such as soot, into the household environment, increasing the risk of respiratory illnesses and even lung cancer.